loaders. Yeah, they're very good at their job up there, friends. You know, I get paid for the amount of people I take out to the jungle, not the amount of people I bring back, so we really have to pack these boats all the way full. Alright friends, you know, I'd like to remind you all, please stay seated for this entire cruise. And please keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, please watch your kids. And kids, oh my gosh, please watch your parents for me. Looks like we're clear to go, everyone. Alright, everyone, wave by that dock over there. Bye, dock, bye. Oh, that's so silly, everyone. Wave by the skippers on the dock. Bye, everyone, bye. Wait like you mean it, guys, that you're never going to see them again. Yeah, not that y'all really ever saw them before, so I really don't think that it matters. Alright, hi, everybody. My name is Mary, and I'll be your skipper for the next 2.5-month cruise through the jungle. Is everyone excited? Woo, wild excitement. Yeah, that one's my favorite, everyone. Alright, friends, our first stop here is going to be through the Amazon rainforest. Our rain's about 365 days a year. And you know, I'm no mathematician or anything, but I think that's like every other day or something like that. Now, if y'all look out both sides of your boat, you're going to see some monarch butterflies. Now, their wingspan can span up to 12 inches, all the way up to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, we like to call them the rulers of the jungle. Yeah, real monarchs, if you ask me. So, up ahead here, friends, this is Inspiration Falls. Now, normally people like to ask me, Skipper Mary, why is it called Inspiration Falls? Well, because the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go. Yeah. Deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Everyone say, ooh. Ooh. Everyone say, ah. Now, that sounds like some inspiration to me, folks. All right, we'll keep on going. We're now entering the Congo River system. You know, we're going to see just how far we can go, everybody. Yeah. Good luck with me driving this thing, friends. All right, friends, you know, I invited all of my best friends to the new grand opening of our new bait shop out here in the jungle. And now one turn up. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing for me. But you know, something just might have scared them off. So y'all see anything like big and scary that might have scared them off, like anything? Because boas have feathers. So, oh, would you look at that? Looks like our doctor has some unwanted guests at his camp. And look what they did to his teeth. Oh my goodness, they painted it blue. Yeah, I think he wanted it red. They should really listen to directions next time, everyone. Alright, friends, we're now entering the longest river system in all the world. Yup, it's the Nile River. It just goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. If y'all don't believe me, well then you're in Disney World, guys. Yeah. Up ahead there, friends, that's the African bull elephant. It's the rarest animal in the jungle. Yeah, you're never gonna see another one like it out here again. So, that over there, that's a giant aardvark, friends. Yeah. That does remind me, though, did you all know that elephants have the best memory in the jungle? Yeah, you know, I really wish I had a memory like them. It would really help with this job. So, up ahead here, friends, this is the African belt, known for holding up the African pants. Some really awesome animals. They have some giraffes, some canoes, some gazelles, some gazebras, some vultures, some lions protecting that sleeping gazebra. He's totally asleep over there, friends. Oh my goodness. Rest in peace there, bud. Oh, friends, oh my gosh, would you look at that? Yeah, looks like we caught up to Skipper Felix and his crew. Alright, yeah. You know, I told Skipper Felix he really should not try and outrun a rhino, but I think he's finally getting the point in the end there. So, yeah, don't leave your boat next time, Felix. Do not leave your boat out here in the jungle there, friend. In fact, I don't see Skipper Felix's boat anywhere. Maybe we can keep an eye out for him. Alright, friends, you know what they say, there's just danger lurking around every corner out here in the jungle, so you really have to be careful. Yeah. Oh my gosh, but not these two. Yeah, that one's Ginger, and that one's Snappy. They're newlyweds. Yeah, I got them a crock pot for their wedding gift. It's fitting. Hey, up ahead here, friends, this is Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls is named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Frost. Don't worry if you don't remember that one, that's alright. We will go back over it later, so don't you worry. Now, normally at this point in the cruise, you know, people like to ask me, Skipper Mary, how did you land your job out here in the Jungle Cruise? Well, I think it's pretty plain to see. Yeah, I took a crash course, and I've just been winging it ever since, so. Yeah, you know, that joke, it never lands, y'all, it never lands. You know, everybody out here in the jungle, as long as I have, you begin to smell. Danger, that is! Yeah, we're coming up who like to charge the boat. Now don't you worry, I will scare them off for you the same way I scared off my ex-boyfriend. Oh man, it's really the desperation. The voice here really scares them off, guys. Oh my gosh, friends, why would you look at that up ahead? Yeah, it looks like we found Skipper Felix's boat for him. Alright, yeah. You know, those chimpanzees do look like they're going absolutely bananas over it, though, so I really don't think he's going to be getting that back anytime soon, friends. Ooh, it also looks like we found the doctor's research form up ahead, or, you know, like, what's left of it. Oh man, you know, butterflies really are just not what they used to be, everyone. Yeah. Caterpillars. You know, the whole metamorphosis thing just really messes it up for them. Alright, everybody, get your cameras ready. Because we're coming upon the eighth wonder of the world. Yep. There it is, folks. The backside of the water. Oh, 2-8. Oh, 2-8. Oh, 2-8. Oh, 2-8. Get it, you know. We're on the backside and we're on the front side earlier. Yeah, you know, the chemistry joke never gets a good reaction out of anyone. Yeah. You know, I have a few more about like oxygen and potassium, but I personally just think that they're okay. So I'll spare you guys the details. Our friends are now entering the Mekong River system, and oh my gosh, wow, would you look at that? Yeah, that's new to me, friends. It's a little dark, maybe a little scary because it's Disney, so it could be a gift shop. Let's go check it out. Like them. It would really help with this job. Oh my gosh, friends, why would you look at this up ahead? Yeah, there's two babies bathing under a full moon. Oh, this is nature, Jen. Beautiful, everyone. Oh my goodness. I do have a trickster up ahead who likes to try and spray the boat, so we're going to try and get out of here before we try to do that again. Oh, here it comes, everyone. Jump, 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 jump. Goose. Looks like he forgot to pack his truck today, friends. Alright, everyone, it does look like we're coming upon the most dangerous part of our journey. Yeah. The return to civilization. Aww, I know. It's so sad to be departing. But don't worry, we can make one final quick stop here at Trader Sam's new gift shop. Yeah. Although it does look like it's under some new management, and to me, it just looks like a lot of monkey business, so I really don't know if you guys want to get involved with that, so. Oh my gosh, there's an elephant! Did you know that elephants have the best memory in the jungle? Yeah, you know, I really wish I had a memory like them. They are just so smart. Oh my goodness, yeah. Oh wait, I did remember something. Just make sure you all stay seated for me with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat till we come to a full and complete stop over there at our dock. Yeah, we don't want y'all